Welcome to Traveling Rocks. In this video, I'm exploring and show it to you which types of Lego are providing you Lego Holiday Village. Inside, we are booking here Ninja Cabin. This tariff for one night is 2,842 Danish krona. It's a little expensive, but if you have 8 people or 8 family members, so you can stay here very happily. They are providing free parking and including all the kitchen accessories. It's amazing stay here. You should watch entire video and see which types of cabin they are providing us. Inside here the big bedroom, small one, the locker rooms as well. Put it there. This room is one bunk bed, so one person sleep up and second is down, so like two children are sleeping very easily. This is the kitchen. This is the stuff. They are providing some stuffs as well. Garbage place. The fridge total is empty. This is the bathroom. Very compact, very nice. And the outside one big table. You can sit here and eat something. The Ninja Cabin is really nice as per my experience. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. This is a very beautiful place to stay here with your family.